In so much trouble.
I told you, the game's over!
In addition to protecting your credit from Facebook relationship status changes, going from this to this, here are some other reasons why you would want to get your credit in your own name as much as possible. And the first one is protection from creditors. I know you don't dream of going bankrupt or consumer proposal or some other debt program, but the reality is it does happen. And it may not even be necessarily your fault. You could be sued, there could be economy changes, illness, either in the family or yourself. There could be a multitude of different reasons why that has to happen. Now, if you have joint credit, then when you declare bankruptcy or some other debt program, then unfortunately the creditors can go after the other person for 100% of the debt. If the credit is just in your name, then they can't go after anyone else, which is one reason why having individual credit or just credit in your own name will protect you from creditors. The next one is death. You cannot have joint credit with someone who has passed away. So the minute the bank finds out about it, they will either cancel the account or they will call in the debt. But either way, it will affect your credit for future applications. Now the last one is just being able to qualify for more. Now your banks and lenders will look at your income versus your debt for qualifying you, or how much they can qualify you for future applications. Now they will take the debt amount that shows up on your credit report. So if you have past credit that is joint, then it's going to show up on both yours and also your partner or spouse. Now even if you wanted to apply for something in your own name, you would still have to include all of their debt that is joint with you, even though they may cover all the costs, or it might be their car or whatever the case may be. If it shows up on the report, the bank has to include that in the debt service ratio, which could cause you to be able to qualify for less or just not as good as terms and conditions. So with all that in mind, the best protection for your credit is to try and have as much credit individually or under just your name so that you can avoid possible problems down the road.